Today in crypto. Swarm launches EU-compliant KYC solution for tokenized securities. CoinList reveals fund for U.S. investors to stake crypto. Get your daily, bite-sized, digestive cryptoasset and blockchain-related news, investigating the stories flying under the radar of today's crypto news. Regulation news. Regulated DeFi platform Swarm launched its onboarding application programming interface API, allowing institutions and enterprises who do not have a Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering AML provider to offer regulatory-compliant tokenized securities and trading to their users under German law. Per the press release, the onboarding API is intended to serve partners who do not have their own KYC provider, while for partners who do have one, the platform will soon provide a KYC Sharing API. The API verifies users' identities and source of funds, which is typical for onboarding to stock brokerage accounts to trade securities, it added. Exchange news. CoinList launched a first-of-its-kind family of staking funds that allow U.S.-accredited investors to earn rewards through investment in a fund whose strategy is to stake digital assets, said the press release. At launch, the funds will support staking of Ethereum ETH and Near with support of other digital assets including Flow, Mina, Casper CSPR, Agoric BLD, Threshold T, Sui, and Oasis Rose to be made available in the future. The crypto launchpad and exchange said that each digital asset will be pooled with like assets and staked according to the requirements of the protocol, and investors' rewards will be issued in the native token in which they initially purchased fund interests or according to the rules of the protocol. Gaming news. iBlock Studios, the developer behind the soon-to-launch battle royale shooter game Stray Shot, announced its collaboration with NBA personalities LaMelo, Lonzo Ball, and the entire Big Baller brand family. The game's open beta launches with 2 of the top NBA players as playable characters NFTs. According to the press release, the Web3 gameplay is enabled by UX design from iBlock Studios and by the gas-free, high-speed performance of Scale network. iBlock Studios will also release the Ball NFT collection as exclusive NFTs, tradable across all major marketplaces, including OpenSea. Stray Shot is also building its own digital gaming assets marketplace where players can purchase in-game NFTs, it added. Blockchain news. Contributing WorldCoin developers recently updated the project State Bridges to use a new architecture that saves gas and enables anyone to create a bridge for any Ethereum virtual machine EVM-compatible chain. State bridges are used to bridge the latest Merkle route to Optimism so that World ID can properly validate the proofs. According to the announcement, teams can now develop and operate their own state bridge permissionlessly to integrate World ID with their preferred blockchain and application. This enhancement has the potential to unlock new applications for a Sybilar Assistant, proof of personhood primitive, WorldCoin said. Crypto. Startup Alchemy announced the launch of its account kit, described as a complete toolkit to embed smart accounts in an app with social login, gas abstraction, batch transactions, and more. Powered by Account Abstraction ERC 4337, Account Kit makes it possible to build products that feel like Web2 but are fully Web3 under the hood, the blog post said. From a UX perspective, end users can expect familiar user experience, including sign up with an email, social login, or a seed phrase for native Web3 users, sponsored gas fees so the users can try the app for free with no ETH required, and ability to design one's own checkout flow and sign transactions in the background. Singapore-based blockchain analytics firm Nansen AI announced the addition of Layer 1 blockchain near to its portfolio of unchained data accessible via query. Nansen's enterprise-ready blockchain data platform. Investors, developers, and community members are offered access to critical insights into blockchain activity, user behavior, and market trends within the Near ecosystem, the announcement said. The Nansen Query dashboard will deliver programmatic access to real-time data points to users to help them maximize their investments. With access to these advanced analytics, users are empowered to contribute to the overall growth and innovation within the blockchain ecosystem, the firm added.